Hi, I'm Phil Walsh from Canterbury Interior Plastering. Just here on the Cottle home doing the second coat. I've been doing Broadhurst Builders work now for a few years, always on time and easy to deal with. The process of interior plastering a new home is you go through, do all your joins, ceiling and walls, internal angles, one side then, external corners, second coat everything, and then third coat, and then sand ready for the painter. Here's a couple of trick tips for interior plastering. This is the jib paper tape we use for all our walls and ceilings, where the two bits of jib board meet, keeps it nice and strong instead of cracking. Here's the metal external corners we use with the two pieces of jib meet, keeps it nice and straight and strong. For those of you who don't know, this is the jib aqua line. This process is already done before we got here, but you'll find this in all wet areas of a new home. So the last step here is quick sand on all the joins, one coat of plaster, and final sand for the painter. Cheers for stopping in.
G'day guys, David here from Broadhurst Builders. Just popping into the Cottle house to check on progress to see our guys have begun the exterior decking. All constructed with hardwood decking, 140mm Queeler. It's very fashionable, very popular and good hard wearing decking. So now we've moved around to the rear of the house where there's another larger deck being constructed. This one's 25 square metres, which will give Josh and Rachel excellent access from the master bedroom, the living room and facing the all-day sun. You guys have probably already noticed the windows are all masked. That's because our painter Kyle is inside doing the painting. Obviously this is to stop any paint getting onto the windows or window joinery. So let's head inside and we'll go and see Kyle. Kyle, our painter, he's going to tell us a little bit about the process of painting and what paints he's using.
Good afternoon. Basically we've gone through here and filled everything, sanded everything, masked the whole house up and everything's sealed. It's probably the messiest part of the job for me, the sanding and the spraying. Tomorrow we'll be spraying the ceiling flat and frames and things like that. Yeah, the windows and frames are a big part of the new builds. Sometimes I fill them twice before I seal them. This one I filled them once and then seal them. I'll go around and light check them all, look for any wee dings and dents that I may have missed the first time around, second fill any holes that need to be filled, and then go back around and spot seal those before we put the gloss on the windows and frames. Yep, we've done the sophites. We've only got one coat on the linear so far, but we were here early, so instead of wasting a day, we thought we'd get some paint on that, and so we'll finish this linear at the end of the job. That's what my plan is, and concentrate on getting the inside done so the other trades can get in here and I'm out of their way.
Thank you, Kyle, for talking us through the painting process. The next stage will be doors painted. We'll rehang the doors, door hardware can go on, garage doors will be going on very soon, so the whole place will be locked up. And then following through from there, kitchens and bathroom installations.
Hey guys, Nate from Broadhurst Builders here again. Over the last few days we've completed some decks and we've just boxed up the driveway and a pathway around the back. Just tying some steel in it today and they'll be ready to pour over the coming days. This 24-metre path here connects the garage and laundry down to the washing line here, and I'm sure Josh and Rach will enjoy keeping their feet out of the mud in the winter. So we've just completed a nice Queeler outdoor area. I'm sure they'll love having some summer barbecues out here. Let's go inside and see what the painter's been up to.
Yep, so our frames and windows are finished. These walls have been finished as well, cut and rolled out. We're starting to hang the doors and finish rolling out the rest of the rooms. Once I've done that, it's pretty much go through everything from top to bottom, ceilings, cutting in, windows, the whole lot, and just go through the whole thing and make sure everything's as it should be. So Rachel and Josh's colour selections for their house, with their frames and their doors, they've gone with alabaster, semi-gloss. For the ceilings, it's also alabaster, ceiling flat. And for the walls, it's triple sea fog. Just a low sheen for the walls, and that's through the entire house.
So we've got the kitchen guys coming in next week to install their kitchen. Then we'll have the flooring guys in doing their thing, and then we'll finish off our little bits of skirting. We get the painter in to touch it all up. So there's a few spots in the house we've left our skirting off. Where there's tiles or laminate flooring, we'll let them do their thing first and we'll get our skirting on after.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to the Cottle home. We're here pre the concrete truck turning up this morning. We've got the driveway going down. Josh and Rach have chosen to use exposed aggregate with a full shot of black in it. Exposed ag is probably one of the most commonly used concretes, but is very cost effective and looks stunning once it's acid washed and sealed. We have the time-lapse camera set up so you guys can watch it all happen.
Our house is finally finished. We've been in here a couple of weeks so far and absolutely loving it.
We have to thank everyone involved in building it, the whole team at Broadhurst, all the subbies, and everyone for making our dream home a reality. We couldn't have done it any other way. Thank you guys.